All right, happy homeowner. Brian Adams here, still in Irvine, lunchtime. Turn this around and show you what we got done. We don't like doing this. If you call up and you say, Brian, can you do it like you did that house over in Irvine? It's going to be a lot of extra money. Turn this around and show you what I'm talking about. Because of the furniture, we've had to pull this out, sand and finish, and then put it back. Same thing with the office and the desk. Beautiful desk. Getting ready to put the last coat of finish over here, but look at that. Oh man, American cherry right here. I thought it was the hickory, but it's the American cherry. We're going to sand this down, do one more coat of the Bona traffic satin. Well, you see the difference. See those scratches that was there from that crazy stuff that they mopped on. And again, remember, I just did a video. Check it out. It's on the YouTube. Can you refinish engineered wood flooring? So we're taking it off paper layer by paper layer. You got these low areas. Now some of those will be so low we don't even try to get them out. We'll do it by hand. But already, look at the difference. Getting ready to start on these steps. We pulled the refrigerator out, finished it, put it back. So this is going to be a new house. A new house, couple of dollars, refinishing the wood floors, and they're going to have everything's going to look so much bigger, so much brighter. Stick around.